Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle the touchpad on HP Victus 16. In order to toggle the touchpad, you can see on your keyboard there is this F11 button right here. This is for the touchpad, and most of the times it'll work combined with the FN key on your keyboard. Then it'll light up red. So I'm gonna do it right now. Actually not red, but white. It'll light up white. And you can see that the touchpad is currently off. If I click on FN and F11 at the same time again, it'll turn the touchpad on again. Although in some configurations, you won't need to press on the FN key. So just press on the single F11 key. And I think it doesn't work interchangeably with the option to toggle the touchpad in the settings. So you can also do it through the settings. I'm gonna show you how to toggle it off. Then I'm gonna show you how to toggle it on without having the access to the touchpad. So I'm just gonna go to the system. Bluetooth and devices. Then go to touchpad, and now you can turn it off. And yes, it doesn't work interchangeably with the F11 key. So for example, if you disable it through the settings that you can't enable it through the F11 key, you need to do it through the settings. So I'm gonna click on Alt and F4 keys on my keyboard to close that window. And now click on the Windows key on the keyboard and start typing in settings. If they are on the very top, you can click on Enter. Now click on Tab until you are pointing on the home. I'm gonna actually delete that. Until you're pointing on the home. If you went too far, you can just click on Shift Tab to go back. Then use down arrow to go to Bluetooth and devices and click on space. Then click on Tab until you are pointing on devices and use down arrow to go to touchpad, click on space and click on space again. And now the touchpad is working again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.